nice day to be outside. If somebody didn't break the couches, the tables, and everything else, then they just have to go to this IKEA.
Hey, my, chill. Jeez, I get it. Let's just go and get whatever you need.
Good. Let's go inside now. Rotten boy, let's get this very nice looking couch.
Hell no. This couch looks like it's been through 20 dumpsters.
What? No, it doesn't look that bad, boy.
Yes, it does.
I'll be taking this now. Hey, that's mine. Too bad. Finders, keepers, losers, weepers. But I found it first. Doesn't look like I care if you found it first.
That'll be $3,000.
What? $3,000 for 4 couches, 2 tables, and 8 chairs? What is this, a scam?
What did you expect? I mean, you bought 14 pieces of furniture. I mean, you're lucky it wasn't even more than that. I mean, that's crazy, but whatever. So, yeah, they're gonna cost that much if you picked out that much.
Fine, I'll pay it. It's whatever.
Why do you look so pissed?
Because that stupid store scammed me out of $3,000.
I mean, not that bad.
Boy, I say, boy, be quiet. Wait, I actually have to build this?
It's not that bad.
I don't. That's enough out of you.
Oh, not again.